Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut first. Open your Binance app and tap on wallets in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, select withdraw, then choose either withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. Next, pick the currency you want to transfer to your Revolut crypto wallet, for example Litecoin, and tap send via crypto network. On the next screen, you'll need to enter the wallet address, network, and withdrawal amount. You can tap max to send your full balance. To get your Revolut crypto wallet address, open the Revolut app, go to the crypto section, select the same currency you're transferring, and copy the wallet code it generates. Paste that code into the address field in Binance. Make sure the network matches and then tap withdraw to complete the transfer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.